Yes, it's snow in April. What up, YouTube fam? How you guys doing today? It's Friday, TGIF. I just picked up Lily's prescription. On my way out of the pharmacy, I saw a young couple in the parking lot pouring water into some sort of reservoir under their hood, and I asked if they needed a hand, and they did. And I'm not mechanically inclined. It's actually one of my insecurities. I'm not the most handiest guy in the world, you know? You know how like some dudes just get that shit? Like some dudes just get it, they can do it, no problem. Like they see it done once and then they can do it themselves, or it seems anyway. And it doesn't matter like if it's a car, if it's friggin' flooring, if it's, you know, paving, all that stuff. That's how Lily's dad is. Like, you don't even need to show him. Like, he just, like, knows how to do it. I feel like it's a dad thing, too. I feel like once you're a dad, like, you just get that shit. So here's hoping. But, again, I'm not really mechanically inclined, and my dad is, because he's a mechanic by trade, and my brother is, because he was also a mechanic, and he's a firefighter, and he's just handy. But I'm not, admittedly, and again, that's one of my insecurities, but it's the truth. I wish I was more handy. Although I think I've come a long way. Anyways, let me get back to the story because I'm boring you with the sidetrack details. So, this young couple out in the parking lot, we're pouring like Poland Spring water. And I just pulled over and I said, hey, do you guys need a hand? Are you all set? And the guy looks at the girl, looks back at me, looks back at the girl, looks back at me, looks down at the engine and goes, yeah. Kudos to you, bro, for not doing the guy thing and saying no when you don't know what you're doing. He was pouring water into the washer fluid reservoir when he was meaning to put it into the coolant reservoir because his engine was overheating. He was getting the temperature gauge warning, so something's obviously going on with his car. But he knew well enough to put some water in there, or that he could put water in the coolant reservoir. Pride gets in the way when you don't know how to do something, or when you're stuck with a problem. If help is there, take it. Or if you need help with something, ask for it. Closed mouths don't get fed. So don't be too proud. Especially, you know, it's a dude thing, trust me. I get it. Some dudes will be like, no, keep rolling, pal. I got this. But, yeah, he was pouring water into his washer fluid reservoir. Which was not right. For multiple reasons. One, now when he goes to clean his windshield, it's just going to be water. And two, that wouldn't have helped his overheating problem. So I hope they get on their way, and I hope they're safe. Yeah, that was my good deed for the day. One of them. Yes, it's snow in April.
I missed you.
I missed you too. This is my life.
It's okay. Truth comes out. I am cold. So because I'm cold, I go into my bed. I go into our bed and I go into the covers. The heated blanket's not even on. I just want a little bit of warmth.
Look at how cute she is, huh?
Come here, give me a smooch. Oh, that was a terrible angle. Probably just up my brain.
Probably.
You had a tomato. An orange?
Yeah, how'd you know?
He wants us to go over Fabio and Georgie's.
Is that what you're doing?
Come on, man. Disfrutar. Don't just relax. Come on. Enjoy with family.
Is what?
Probably hammered. He said, because I said.
Right. Yeah, so we don't have kids. Hey. We are just heating up some dinner right now. We're just kicking it at home, just relaxing. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on the laptop and so forth.
Yeah, can we watch the pictures?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it just stinks because it's not in the room.
It's okay. It's alright. We got some chicken, white rice, and veggies. Gains, bruh. Boom. Gains, bruh. Bruh. Gains, gains, bruh, bruh. Gains, gains, bruh. Bruh, gains.
Pale and orange and peace. That's all.
So Lily and I are gonna head to the grocery store right now, get a couple of things that we need. Friday night, turn up baby, turn up baby, turn up baby.
Disney Channel.
Ooh, and the Disney Channel's coming on, son. Friday night, turn up. No, you know, seriously, you know you're getting old. You know. You seriously know you're getting old when you know no one.
I don't know.
There's a lot of no. Yeah. That's how you know you're getting old, when you don't even know what shows are on, who's in them, who the hot new actors and actresses are. Yep. Stop and shoppies. So Lily pointed this out, but like, how can you not like want to buy like every single maple syrup in this aisle?
It's so cute.
Like the bottles are just like so well designed. This is my favorite, I think. Wait, can you just say that again for everyone at home? Huh? Ooh, biscotti. Yeah, you're classy when the camera comes on.
So I was talking about
I was totally about to steal your thunder.
the cheese thing.
The canned cheese, like the
The canned cheese that looks like whipped cream, like that whipped cream can, but it's cheese. Why would you buy that? Why would you buy that? Like, you're nasty if you buy that. Like, you're literally putting crap inside of you. Like, I mean, I know that like there's crap and then there's crap. Like, that's crap. Like, that's crap. Straight up
crap.
like fake cheese that you're swirling in your mouth or on a cracker. Like, just buy cheese. Just
I know, just thinking about it's like making me sick.
Or just don't. I don't know.
I love you and it keeps getting better. My hair looks actually pretty good right now. It's like messy, but like Instagram model-ish, like. Calm down. I had a Monster Red Ultra, and it was really good. It kind of tastes like Code Red, Mountain Dew Code Red, and it was great. I'm like wired. I haven't eaten much today. I think that's why. So it's like hitting me fast. Yeah. It's currently 1 a.m. Lily's sleeping, literally burning the midnight oil. Just working on my business. It's crazy, man. Like, I was up till 1 yesterday. It's 1 o'clock now. The fact that I have to get up and be up and start going at 7 a.m. is probably the only reason why I'm gonna go to bed, but I could literally stay up doing this all night. Man, it's crazy. I love it. Yikes, dude. Wow. Well, if you made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, if you haven't given a thumbs up, what are you doing? Are we even friends? Please subscribe. Thank you for checking it out. I appreciate it as always. I will catch you in the next one.